Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadgetgig. Today we have with us a budget gaming true wireless earphone and it's the pTron Bassbuds Revv. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will tell you if they are worth buying. So starting with the unboxing, in the front we have the picture of the earphones and the model Bassbuds Revv. And you get 50 millisecond low latency in these earphones. Apart from that, you get the music mode and the ENC for voice calls. And here we can see how to turn on the gaming mode. At the side of the box we have the key features such as Bluetooth 5.3, 30 mAh battery capacity in each earbud, 250 mAh battery in the case, you get Type-C port, 28 hours of battery backup and you get 13mm dynamic driver. The MRP on the box is Rs 5499, however, right now you can purchase them for just Rs 1099 from Amazon. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we get the earbuds and the charging case. And guys, my first impression is that the charging case looks very good and you get this rugged look and feel. We will look at the charging case and the earbuds in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get this card and here we have the info about the warranty and the barcode which you can scan to download the user manual. And then here we have the Type-C charging cable. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. So starting with the charging case, we have this metallic finish charging case which look and feel pretty good. So guys, as they are the gaming earphones, the design goes very well with the theme. And at a glance, you can't tell if this is an earphone charging case. In terms of the overview, we have the pTron branding in the front along with the LCD display for battery status. At the bottom, we have the Type-C charging port. You can open the door of the case from the side, which is quite unique. The quality of the hinge and the door is also decent, keeping in mind the pricing. One thing I must tell you, that though the design has this rugged look and feel, you still get a compact charging case and you can easily carry it around in your pocket. Now looking at the earbuds, we get the half-inner style earbuds, something similar to the Apple AirPods. They are lightweight and small in size. The driver size of these earbuds is 13mm, which is actually bigger than some other earbuds in this category. Now let's pair them with our phone and we will see how they perform. So for pairing, just take them out of the case and here they are paired with our phone. Now let me show you first the touch controls. The touch sensitive area is on the stem, which is perfect as instead of pushing the earbuds into your ear, you just need to pinch the stem to perform the action, which is similar to the Apple AirPods. So a single tap on either of the earbuds will pause and play music, double tap on the right earbud will take you to the next song and double tap on the left earbud will take you back to the previous song. When you triple tap on the left earbud, it will enable Google Assistant or Siri. And guys, for gaming, it's a triple tap on the right earbud and you can switch between the game and the music mode. And about the performance, I will talk in a moment. Now, let's talk about the performance of these earphones. So guys, as these are the half-inner style earbuds, but surprisingly, the fit is very good. I was not expecting them to fit easily and also, you do get some passive noise cancellation from these earbuds. Now about the sound quality, the first thing is that how bassy the sound is. You get thumpy bass from these earbuds, but this is not affecting the mids and highs. So the vocals are clear and the treble is also pretty good. And one thing worth mentioning here is that they are very loud and due to that, we were not able to use them at 100% volume and mostly we were using them at 70 to 80% volume. So if you prefer thumpy and boomy bass, you will love the performance of the Bassbuds Revv. I have also used them for watching videos and the dialogue clarity was pretty good. And now about the gaming mode. First of all, the latency is very low and during our testing, we found it around 50 milliseconds, which is as advertised by pTron. The overall experience while gaming with these earphones is very good and we have played games like COD and some other casual games and the performance was definitely very good. The mic clarity is also decent and you can use them for in-game voice chat and for calls without any problem. The battery backup is decent and we were able to get 3 to 4 hours of battery backup in one single charge. And with the case, you can get around 28 hours of battery backup, which is not that bad. So overall the pTron Bassbuds Revv is a very good budget gaming true wireless earphones. And if you don't prefer the in-ear style earbuds and are looking for the half-inner style earphones for gaming and casual usage, then these true wireless earphones are perfect for you. And at Rs 1000, you're getting a very good design with decent build quality. The sound output is also very good and if you're a bass lover, then you'll find the performance of these earphones very good. So in short, if you're in the market to buy low latency true wireless earphones for gaming, then we highly recommend you to check out the Bassbuds Revv. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the pTron Bassbuds Revv gaming true wireless earphones. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about these earphones in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadgetgig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.